Hello guys, good morning everybody. In this video, we will learn about where we use no articles. Earlier we used the uses of a article, an article, and today we will discuss about no article. And later video we will discuss about the uses of article the. So let us start. See here. Uses of no articles. Uses of no articles. Uses of no articles. It means zero articles. It means omissions of articles. Omissions of articles. So in this video we will see where can we use articles, where can we. Earlier video we have used the article A, article N. Now in this video we are talking about uses of no articles, zero articles, omission of articles. So let's take the first. No article plus plural noun. No article plus plural noun. See here. Couch, dogs. Here we can't use any article. Here we can't use any articles because cow is plural. Cow is dogs is plural. Dogs. So So we are using here no articles, zero articles, omission of articles, no article plus plural noun. If any noun is plural, we don't use any article, even a, and the. Understand? Number 2. No article plus proper noun. No article plus proper noun. No article plus proper noun. Look here. India is a developing country. India is a developing country. Here, India is a proper noun. So, we don't use any article. India is a developing country. So, we don't use any article. So, India is a proper noun. So, before proper noun, we don't use any article. We don't use a, and, the. And the first, no article plus plural noun. No article plus adjective. He is honest. Honest is adjective. So we use no article. We can't use a, we can't use an, we can't use the. If you write he is an honest, that is wrong. That is wrong. This is a wrong sentence. So no article. Articles are not used before adjectives. Whether we take about a article, an article, the article, we don't use before adjective. There is a condition if adjective has noun. Note, if adjective has noun, if adjective has noun, we can use a, an. Example, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. Now this sentence is correct. Now this sentence is correct. Zero articles. Now we have read about 3. Now read out 4. No articles. No articles plus names of sports. We don't use any articles before the names of sports. Example, I play dash cricket. Cricket is a game. Cricket is sports. So here we can't use any article. So we can use no article. Cross. I play cricket. So before the names of sports and games, we don't use any article, even a, and the. So see here, there is a condition with this rule. If the word match, is used with sports, we use the. Now see the example. I play the cricket match. I play the cricket match. Here, the is used, which is called definite article, and here match word is used with cricket. That's why we have used here. I play the cricket match. We have used here the. If match word is not linked with any sports, we can't use any article. I play cricket, I play football, I play hockey, but we can say I play the hockey match, I play the cricket match, I play the badminton match. That's why we can use this. Now move ahead. No article plus names of languages. Names of क्या कहेंगे? Languages. No article plus names of languages. It means भाषा, language, like English, Hindi, Bangla, Sanskrit, French. These are the languages. Before these languages, we can't use any articles. We can't use a and the. So let's take the example here. I know English. I know English. मैं अंग्रेजी जानता हूँ. It means मैं अंग्रेजी भाषा जानता हूँ. I know English. I know English. English is a language. So here we don't use any article. I know English. I know Hindi. I know Sanskrit. I know Bangla. These are the languages. So we can't use any article. We can't say here the English. We can't say here an English. We can't say here English. So we can't use any article before the names of languages. Here there is a condition. if any language had literature, even the language word, we can use the. Example, I know the English language. I know the English language. So here English is added with language. Here English is added with language. That's why we can use the here. Okay. Now second sentence. I know the English literature. I know the English literature. मैं अंग्रेजी साहित्य को जानता हूँ. So literature word is used here, language word is used here. That's why we use the, and we use the article with language and literature. Language and literature. Note number 1, note number 2. English. English means अंग्रेजी. The English means अंग्रेज. English means अंग्रेजी. The English, if we use the before English, it means अंग्रेज. Let's see the example here. Examples. There is a sentence in the beginning. In the beginning, there is a blank. English is the language of blank English. It means here English. Here English. So what can we use here? Where can we use articles? Here we talk about English is the language of English. English is a subject. Is the language of the English. It means अंग्रेजी. अंग्रेजों की भाषा है. So before first word English, there is no article. There is no article because here English is a language. English is a subject. English is a subject here. So we don't use any article. But here the English, it means here Angrez. It means Englishman. Englishman. So if we talk about a subject, no article. If we talk about the people, the whole people, so we can use the English. It is clear? Now we move next. No article plus common plural noun. No article plus common plural noun. Common noun, it means पूरी जाति का बोध जो कराता है. It is called common noun. The whole class. Example, cows are useful. Cows are useful. Here cows, plural, common noun. So in that situation we can't use any article. It means no article. We can also use cross. No article. Cats are afraid of dogs. Cats, it is also plural, common noun. We don't use any article. So there is another formula. If we don't use any article before the names of common plural noun. If the singular common noun is there is a condition. Note, if the common plural noun, if the common plural noun is specialized, particularized, then we can use the. Then we can use the. Then we can use the. Example, cows of Haryana are very useful. The cows of Haryana are very useful. Cows, plural, common noun. Here we talk about The cows of Haryana are very useful. It means हरियाणा की गाय बहुत ही उपयोगी है. It means कहाँ की गाय? Which place? Haryana. It means it is specialized. It is particularized. That's why we can use the. The cows of Haryana are very useful. Now this sentence is correct. Another example. Cats of my house are very dangerous. Cats of my house are very dangerous. यानी जो बिल्लियां हैं मेरे घर की बहुत खतरनाक है. कहाँ की बिल्ली? मेरे घर की. यानी मेरा घर जो है वो specialized है, particularized है. So we can use the cats of my house are very dangerous. So this sentence is correct. Now 6 rules. No article plus material noun. No article plus material noun. You know material noun? A noun which can be measured and weighted is called the material noun. Example: gold, water, silver, ghee. These are called material noun, which we can count and measure. So before material noun, we don't use any article. We don't use a, we don't use an, we don't use the. Example: gold is precious. Gold is precious. It means सोना बहुमूल्य होता है. Milk is sweet. Milk is sweet. दूध मीठा होता है. Here gold, milk starts with material noun. So we don't use any article. We can't use a, an, and the. There is a condition. If any material noun is specialized or particularized, then we can use the. If any material noun is specialized and particularized, then we can use the. Example: the gold of South Africa. The gold of South Africa is precious. The gold of South Africa is precious. Here, कहाँ की सोना बहुमूल्य होता है? तो साउथ अफ्रीका का. Which place is particularized? South Africa is particularized and specialized. That's why we use the article before gold. So we can use the article before material noun if it is specialized or particularized. So the gold of South Africa is precious. The milk is sour. Here milk is material noun. The milk is sour. दूध खट्टा है, यानी दूध का गुण खट्टा होना नहीं होता बल्कि मीठा होना होता है। इसीलिए कोई खास दूध है जो खट्टा है और खास के लिए क्या आया? द आया। द मिल्क इज सावर। वैसे मिल्क इज स्वीट होता है, मिल्क इज स्वीट, दूध मीठा होता है, लेकिन बट हियर मिल्क इज टर्न इनटू सावर, दूध खट्टा हो गया है। जो मिल्क का गुण नहीं है, इसलिए यहां पर क्या लगा? द लगा। द मिल्क इज सावर, दूध खट्टा होता है, दूध खट्टा है। और वहां पर मिल्क इज स्वीट, दूध मीठा है, विच इज द क्वालिटी, बट मिल्क इज सावर। हियर मिल्क इज सावर, यानी कोई खास दूध खट्टा हो गया। Rule number 7, no article plus abstract noun. No article plus क्या कहेंगे? abstract noun. No article plus abstract noun. Here the word beauty is truth. Here the word honesty is the best policy. Here the word, two words, two sentences are here. The first, beauty is truth. Second, honesty is the best policy. Here beauty is abstract noun. A noun which is talk about the quality, action, state, that is called abstract noun. Beauty is an abstract noun. Honesty is an abstract noun here. That's why we can't use any article, because these are the sentence which starts with abstract noun. We can't use any article. Note: if the abstract noun is specialized or particularized, then we can use the. If the rule says we don't use any articles, before abstract noun. If any sentence starts with abstract noun, so in that situation we can't use any article, but there is a condition. If that abstract noun is specialized and particularized, in that situation we can use the. So look at these examples. The beauty of as, the beauty of as is worth seeing. The beauty of as is worth seeing. Here as means here as means Astoria. So the beauty of as, किसकी सुंदरता, as की सुंदरता is worth seeing, देखने योग्य है. So here beauty is specialized with as, and that's why we have used the. The beauty of as is a short word of Astoria, is worth seeing. The honesty of my friend. The honesty of my friend is, the honesty of my friend is above doubt. यानी here मेरे दोस्त की ईमानदारी संदेह से परे है. किसकी दोस्त की ईमानदारी? मेरे दोस्त की ईमानदारी. So here my friend is particularized and specialized. That's why we have used the article before abstract noun. So there is a condition. If any abstract noun is specialized and particularized, then we can use the. So we have used two sentences here. The beauty of as is worth seeing. The honesty of my friend is above doubt. Is that clear? Okay. No article plus school, college, hospital, court, jail, bed, market. For main purpose. For main purpose. The first sentence is I go to bed. Why people go to bed? To sleep. So here I go to bed, it means to sleep, सोने के लिए. In that sense, we don't use any article. If I go to, now second sentence is here, I go to the bed. It means not to sleep. Not to sleep. Another word. Suppose I go to bed. In next video, we will talk more about zero articles. For today, it's enough. See you next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.